Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. There isn't a magic formula for how to organize tools. On the other hand, organizing tools can be a very individual thing. In many cases, placement depends on function. Are you a woodworker, a home renovator, or a weekend warrior? Each skill set comes with different consideration and a different set of tools. For instance, a woodworker might need more small tool storage, whereas a home renovator might need an easily accessible place to organize their power tools. However, there are some basic tools that most homeowners need to store, and there are several clever ways to get the job done. Here are few tool organization tips to help you clean up your workshop.